If you've just moved within New York and need to update your address with the DMV, don't worry. It's a pretty simple process and you can do it all online in just a few minutes. Before you start, make sure you have a few things ready: your New York driver's license or non-driver ID, your new address, and access to your ny.gov account. Now, let's walk through the steps. First, open your browser and go to the New York DMV's official website. Once you're on the home page, look for the section called Popular Services. Here, you'll find the button that says Change Address. Click on it. Wait for the web page to load. To continue, click on the How to Update button. Now, you'll need to log into your My DMV account. Click on Log into My DMV and enter your New York government ID and password. If you don't already have an account, just click the Sign Up for My DMV button and follow the steps to create one. It only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, look for the Change Address option under your account dashboard. Click it to open the address update form. Here, you'll enter your current mailing address, your new one, and a few details like your license or ID number and your date of birth. Make sure you type everything exactly as it appears on your ID to avoid any errors. After that, you might be asked a few quick security questions to confirm your identity. Just answer those and continue. Next, you'll see a summary of everything you just entered. Take a moment here to double-check all the details, especially your new address. If anything looks off, go back and fix it before moving forward. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click the Submit button. You'll immediately see a confirmation message on the screen, and a copy of that confirmation will also be sent to your email. Save it for your records. And that's it. You've officially updated your address with the DMV. Just don't forget, you'll also want to update your address with other places like your bank, insurance provider, utility companies, your job, and any subscriptions you have. That way, everything stays in sync and nothing important gets sent to your old place. Thanks for watching.